And this week on Dreamweaver,
put on some Shroud covers that are really neat, and also a new soundbar on our TV stereo system. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. So here is a new sound bar. We have a live box TV. I'll show you in just a minute. That we put in a while back. It's a 12-volt TV. And then they also make a 30-watt 12-volt sound bar. We couldn't hear it very well before. And so we decided, you know what? We need to do something about that. So let me show you how it works. It actually works really well. So it mounts to the bottom of the TV. You have buttons here that you can cut it on and off. And then also, when this TV pulls out, and so it also has a remote for itself too. And you can adjust the volume and that kind of thing. But it works really, really well. And I like how it bolts to the bottom TV. It also has feet on the bottom of it, so you could set it somewhere if you wanted to. Of course, we have a TV that we pull out. We watch it in different, wherever we're sitting. But it really sounds good. They did a good job on this thing, and we really like it. So it's much better than what we had before. We just couldn't really get the sound out of it before. I'll show you what it sounds like shortly. See here, I'll let you hear kind of what it sounds like.
Really pretty I am.
So it has a good sound, rich sound. Has bass and treble adjustments on it. Of course, it's one of your favorite shows, so I'm sure you're used to the song. But anyway, we really like it.
Lots of wave action. For sure.
So if you're looking for a sound bar for your TV, this will work with any 12-volt TV. And it's really cool. We like it. Okay, sometimes we have trouble with our sheets rubbing on our shrouds. And so it kind of wears the edge of the sheet. So it makes it kind of, fuzzy. Eventually wears with it. So what we're going to do today is we actually have these little covers shown here. Look like this. They go over shrouds. And they come in different sizes, 5/16, 3/8. And then we're going to snap these on. That should help solve the problem. Now, this is plastic. It rubs up against it. It won't do anything to it. It'll be smooth. Covers it up plenty high. So, yep. Get the other one on and shouldn't do it anymore.
There you go.
Keep
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
Trying to replace, hopefully we can do this mount for the outboard, which is a little too small for this outboard. So we're trying to replace it with this one, which is a bigger mount, made for 15 horsepower.